Hey guys, it's me Jen, and so today I'm going to be giving you a little dorm slash room tour, and I'm gonna kind of show you how we organize certain things and how I decorate my room, and I'm just gonna kind of show you some little things if you want to see how a dorm room actually looks. So yeah, let's get started. Out here in my bathroom area. So that's me, hey. But this is our bathroom area. We keep all of our cleaning stuff and some dirty like food and stuff like that down there. Our toilet paper. We all just keep our stuff, our hair products, etc. all up here. And then this is our shower. And it's very simple, but it's cute, you know. And then this is our little bathroom. I mean, it's not much, it's very small. And this is our general foyer area. So we have another little mirror here. We have a little bulletin board. And we always write little cute things for each other right here. And there's art projects everywhere all the time. So now actually my room, this is me and my roommate Rihanna. Those are our snap codes, and we have this little cute thing when you walk in our room. And then here, once you close the door, is another mirror, you know. And this is my side of the room. I'm not going to show my roommate's side of the room just because of privacy. I don't want to, you know, expose her or anything. But when you first walk in, we're like in this little corner. And we have a little key rack right there. And then I have like my art stuff, some of my drawing items. And then here is my desk. So this is kind of the overview of my desk. There's a lot happening the entire time, but yep. There's my phone, and then I keep some brushes and stuff on my desk, and then in that mug there's just like random stuff. And then back there's my field hockey team. I miss them very much. And then I'm always drinking tea. And I got this little dish from Sephora as one of their little like gifties when you earn points and stuff. So I put all my jewelry in there that I always wear. I have this little sign, and I like to put little positive things on it to, you know, just like brighten your day. And I don't know, just give good vibes. This right here is a card that my friend Faith made for me for my birthday. She's a graphic design major, and so she edited it. But this is also a little place where I keep some of my sunglasses. I was considering doing an accessory like DIY type of thing, so if you're into that, then totally leave a comment down below, and I will love to do one of those. But I think that this is so cute, and it's really simple. And then while I've been in college, I actually saw Fall Out Boy in October on my birthday. So I put the ticket up there. And then up on the top of this little like type of side table thing, I guess you can say, bookshelf, I have like basic necessities. So I have like nail polish, stuff like that, deodorant. Then I have like hair ties, Q-tips, perfumes, hairspray, and then I have my other jewelry that I don't wear as often, but I do wear sometimes. And then in here I have a little mirror which I do my makeup in, and then I have some just art supplies, a lot of pencils and just like random stuff, and a little fake plant which is really cute. And then down here I have my vitamins, because you know your girl's gotta stay healthy. And then I have all my folders and some little books that I like to doodle in, throw some ideas down. And then I have so many Sharpies that these aren't even like a quarter of them. Like I have like 40,000 Sharpies. But anyway, love Sharpies. And then this is a little mold actually that I made in one of my classes. It's a middle finger mold. But, you know, just fun art school things. And then there's my laptop. I just like to leave it on my desk. I like to keep my desk rather clean. Yeah. And then always on my chair I have like 7 jackets all the time because I have no space in my closet, which I will show you in a minute. And then down here I just have my trash. I have some extra like art supplies underneath in those little bins. And then down there, really deep, I have all of my makeup, which is a lot, so I have to kind of shove it somewhere. And then right here I have some bags that I bring to class. Some of them are empty, some of them are full. And then this is my bed area, which I think is so cute. Like, look at her. She's just so perfect. Like that tapestry, yes. All the color schemes, yes. Like, I'm feeling it. So then we got this really cute setup of all of my pictures. I mean, come on. Like, there's my husband for life, Justin. And then my other husband, Drake. Like, come on. And then all my amazing friends and family. And then, yeah, look at just how cute it is. I love this. I'm very into, like, neutral colors and, like, very, like, basic stuff because I like to, like, accent stuff so I can, like, switch stuff around and all that kind of stuff. Over here is, like, my little side table. It's also storage, so I just throw, like, random stuff in it. The top drawer has a lot of, like, chargers, like, important stuff, and then kind of the rest of them have random stuff that I don't know where else to put. On the little side table, I have my little alarm clock, which I don't use for an alarm clock, but it actually says the wrong time right now because I still haven't changed it since daylight savings because I'm sad and lazy. But also, I have my charger, and then I've been reading The Sun and Her Flowers. I just started it. I loved the other book, and I'm just, like, obsessed. So... And then I have some little stuffed animals there and a little Justin Bieber guy that my friend got me for my birthday. So that just sits right there. And then right here I just have a little J. And I made this little piece, like this little painting with these like really interesting paints that have like metals and ceramics in them, so when you mix them together they react with each other, so it like you like kind of like move the like piece around and it gives it this really cool marble effect. And then I have another really cute quote just to give some positive vibes. Right now it is nighttime, but we always have an amazing view. That's my school right there. It's like, you know, white and orange mass art. Yes, there's mass art. And we get a beautiful view of the city. We're on the 17th floor. Yep, so right here is, I'm working on some sewing stuff. So this is like my sewing machine and my clothes. That's actually my roommate's, but, and the little green thing. But the rest of this is my stuff. I'm very excited for the stuff I'm working on. I'm excited to show you guys. And then over here is our little mini fridge. Look at how cute she is. I am the coffee and tea drinker. I drink coffee and tea all the time. And we keep like paper plates and utensils right here, and that's my avocado. You know, I like to make salads sometimes. And then I have honey for the tea, sugar, and then I have my little bowl, my mug, and my Keurig. And then we have our little fridge, and I just like stocked it with a bunch of stuff recently, so it's like really full. It looks really unorganized, but I swear it is. Anyway, back to like kind of what's down here. So I have this really cute little rug, which I got from Target, I think, and it's actually like a throw, but I use it as a rug, which I'm probably not supposed to do, but I mean, it's mad cute, so I'm gonna keep it there. And then down here in the back there, let's not even go there. It's where all of just a bunch of art stuff is. And then right there in that plastic clear bin is all my food. That's like non-perishable. And then right here I have a lot of sauces. I got some apple cider vinegar. You know, right there is apple cider, like sparkling cider. My friend got it for me for my birthday, which is in October, and we still haven't had it yet. I need a stool to get on my bed because I'm short and I'm standing exactly where I would be looking. Like the bed is like at my like chest. It's so bad. And then right here I have this little thing. I keep like more of my comfy clothes in there, and then underneath I just have some spices, etc., extra towels, stuff like that. And then they gave us these 2 drawer things, and I just keep like, I keep my shorts and my summer stuff on the top, all of my pants in this one, all my shirts in this one, and then my workout clothes in the bottom. And then right there, this is just a camera case and a tripod for a project, and right there's my backpack, and then again, those are my other bags. So now to my closet. Ooh, is she a mess. She has a lot going on. So I guess we'll start at the bottom. So I have a lot of shoes. These aren't even a quarter of what I own. But yep, I have my shoes. Don't ask why I still have my Uggs here. I just haven't gotten a chance to bring them back. I get it, it's spring, whatever. But here I have a little shoe rack. I actually bought this around the second semester. I think it's actually really good to organize. I do have a little shoe rack over here, which is still holding stuff. It's just like literally the amount of shoes, and it's also like really cute and is just reasonable. I feel like it holds a lot and stuff like that. Right here I have like a little hook with my belts and a few purses, and then I have my hats hooked up all right there. And then right here I have a box of clothing that I made that I wanted to photo shoot, but I haven't done it yet. And then that little backpack right there is really cute. She's my little baby. I got her this year. And then that's where I have my towels that I'm using at the moment. And then mostly right here is more of like my jackets, my sweatshirts, my long sleeve stuff, things that should be hung, sweaters, and then like my dressy stuff, so dresses, rompers, like nice pants, etc. Things that just should be hung. But then on the top here, I just have 2 bins to hold some like just personal stuff in, more like medical, like hair products, like body stuff, like medication, stuff when I'm sick, etc. It's a really nice like little area up here because you can store a lot. I have a lot of my cleaning supplies up here as well. As you can see, I also have my yoga mat, paper towels and stuff like that. And also, I'm like super cute, so I put lights in my closet, and they have like these little tiny baby lights, and they're so cute. And yeah, so that's really it. I luckily have a lot of storage in my room. I'm able to like move around a lot and be able to do a lot. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see anything more college related, I would love to do so. I mean, I'm almost out of my freshman year, so I'll definitely keep you guys updated with my room next year. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!